So now let's see how we can use the COUNTIF function inside of Google Sheet. So over here you can see on the left side I have some random data of A, B, and C. So let's say this is something like a grade of students. So if you want to count the number of A's, B's, and C's, then you can use the COUNTIF function. So to do that, I'm going to press equal right here. And let's say I want to count the number of A's in the sheet. I'm going to go around and I'm going to type in COUNTIF right here. And then I can open up the bracket right here and I can select the range just like this. So once I do that, I can press comma right here and then I can press the criteria that is A. That is, I'm only going to count the A right here. Press enter and then what happens is that it shows that out. But the number format right here is not proper, as you can see, which I can change. But here I added in bracket as well. That's why it's not counting. But now it's 8, as you can see right here. I'm not going to use the autofill right here. I don't want any decimal places just like this. Similarly, I can copy this out and do the same for B. So I'm going to type in B right here, just like this, and B is 8 as well. Decrease the decimal places. And then I'm going to go around and press C as well, and C is 4, as you can see right there. And that is how you can use the COUNTIF function to count the exact number of items in a sheet inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.